Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out a battery and its charger from Greenworks. This one right here is a 40-volt battery and it is a 4 amp hour battery. Just easily slides off of this thing. Oh, gotta push that release button. Easily slides off after you push that button on there. There is the battery right there. Here is the charger that you will get. If you are interested in a different size battery, this one here is a 2 amp hour battery and it will work on this charger as well. Just ensure that it is a 40 volt battery. That's the only thing that you really got to look at. Here on the front of this, I'll go ahead and show you since it is blinking right now. If it's blinking, that means it's charging. And then, hold this off again. Once it goes to a solid green, which this one should be solid green because it should be fully charged, then that means that it is full. If you get anything red on there, that means bad stuff. So be on the lookout for red being bad. And then in regards to how the charger plugs in, right here is the cord on it. It is just a two-prong, polarized two-prong, so it doesn't need a ground or anything like that, if that's an issue in regards to where you're plugging them in. I love Greenworks and all of their stuff, so if you are on the fence about buying something from Greenworks, whether it be, you know, their lawnmowers or their blowers or their, what else do I have here in the house? I got a weed eater, and then I also have their chainsaw. I love all their stuff. I've had zero issues with it. The batteries make it nice to be able to multitask or finish the job whenever the job might be just a little bit too big for one battery. So once again, these are the Greenworks batteries and charger. Go ahead and check them out.